wonder what it is that makes these. By the turn of the century, literally in 1908, a community in New Jersey embarked on a rather unusual approach. They took the invention of chlorine gas, a known poison, and realized that if they in today's era. The second example I'd like to talk about, if I could have the next slide, please. And actually go one more. Oh. And that, in fact, the operative note states, one second, I'm just trying to get, the operative note states that towards the end of the procedure, an electric light was brought into the operating theater. Literally, the surgeon was using reflected light in order to look deep in the abdomen to try to find, by that sense of... The third techno that there were walkie-talkies, repeaters, in rapid fashion as we got into the hospital as a cardiologist in the early 1990s, I was part of a physician's... But what I challenge you to do is to start managing healthcare, to help monitor decisions and patient status in ways that incredible amounts of information are being collected. That's very exciting for people like me that work at a regulatory agency, that hospital cribs collected so you can improve your product. If I could skip ahead 2 slides, please. Thank you. We discussed some really, really important issues, make the data engage with amongst each other and of system sessions, as well as some of the networking successfully with this. And if I could have the next slide, please. Has been for the last several years down to nanoscale so that you can use, such as the FDA with CMS, is that I spoke about science for you to develop, can do so in a way, welcome you to engage with us, and I thank you very much for your attention. Aware of the cell phones were really developed that, or a new light bulb, or any other new. The operative nature of the cell phone that we know that they were walkie-talkie, as you guys would probably know. They don't sit around my apartment, but if you think about typing away at the App Store in 2008, Androids in 2008, these are new technologies. I see you laughing. I'm glad you put yours down. Thank you very much. And I do have a capability of zooming in on some of you here. So I know there are a few that are looking at their BlackBerries, typing away at their iPhones, pulling out their Android devices. Don, I see you laughing. I'm glad you put yours down. Thank you very much. These are relatively new technologies. Once again, it's important to understand that the iPhone was launched. Sorry, the iPhone was launched in 2007. The App Store in 2008, Androids in 2008.